Castor oil, a pale yellow liquid derived from the castor bean, boasts a rich history spanning millennia. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Romans, recognized its remarkable properties. Egyptians revered it as a sacred oil, incorporating it into their beauty rituals and traditional medicine. The Romans, too, held castor oil in high esteem, employing it for its various therapeutic benefits. Throughout history, castor oil has been a staple in households worldwide. Its versatility knows no bounds, with applications ranging from skin care to hair care and beyond. Passed down through generations, its traditional uses have stood the test of time, solidifying its place as a true marvel of nature. Today, castor oil experiences a resurgence in popularity as people rediscover its potent properties. Modern science confirms what our ancestors instinctively knew. This ancient elixir holds the key to unlocking a world of benefits for our overall well-being. As we delve deeper into the wonders of castor oil, it becomes evident that this natural treasure deserves a prominent place in our modern lives. The castor bean plant, from which castor oil originates, naturally contains ricin, a toxic compound. This fact often raises concerns about the safety of using castor oil. However, it is crucial to understand that the oil extraction process effectively eliminates ricin, rendering the final product safe for topical use. Reputable manufacturers employ rigorous purification methods to ensure that all traces of ricin are removed. This meticulous process guarantees the safety and purity of the castor oil available to consumers. When purchased from trusted sources, castor oil poses no threat and can be used with confidence. It's essential to always choose high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil. This extraction method ensures that the oil retains its maximum potency and beneficial compounds. Avoid castor oil that has been chemically processed, as this can diminish its effectiveness and potentially introduce harmful additives. By understanding the ricin removal process and opting for reputable brands, individuals can embrace the myriad benefits of castor oil without any safety concerns. This knowledge empowers informed decision-making and allows us to harness the full potential of this remarkable natural remedy. Castor oil emerges as a skincare powerhouse laden with remarkable benefits for achieving radiant and healthy skin. At its heart lies ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid responsible for its extraordinary properties. This potent compound penetrates deeply into the skin, providing intense hydration and locking in moisture. The benefits extend far beyond basic moisturization. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and calming sensitive areas. It also exhibits antimicrobial activity, effectively combating acne-causing bacteria and preventing future breakouts. Furthermore, castor oil boasts remarkable anti-aging properties. Its ability to stimulate collagen production helps improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The result is a smoother, more youthful complexion that glows with health. Regular application of castor oil can transform your skincare routine, providing a natural and effective solution for a variety of concerns. Embrace its power to cleanse, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin, revealing its natural radiance. Section 4. Luscious Locks and Beyond. Castor oil for hair and scalp. Castor oil is a true elixir for hair and scalp health. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. It combats hair loss, improves blood circulation, and promotes growth. Its antimicrobial properties address scalp infections and dandruff. Castor oil tames frizz, adds shine, and prevents dryness. Regular use leaves hair soft, smooth, and manageable. Unlock the secret to luscious locks with castor oil. Section 5. The synergistic blend, enhancing castor oil's potential. Castor oil is beneficial but thick. Blending it with carrier oils like coconut, almond, or jojoba oil can help. These oils dilute castor oil, making it easier to apply and enhancing its properties. Coconut oil moisturizes, almond oil nourishes, and jojoba oil balances sebum. Experiment with blends to address specific concerns and unlock castor oil's full potential. Section 6. Castor oil, a word of wise caution. Castor oil, with its myriad benefits, has earned its place as a staple in natural remedies. However, as with any potent natural ingredient, it's crucial to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine. Pregnant women in particular should exercise caution when considering the use of castor oil. While it has traditionally been used to induce labor, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before use during pregnancy. Self-medication can pose potential risks, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. Furthermore, individuals with sensitive skin or specific allergies should perform a patch test before applying castor oil topically. Apply a small amount to a discrete area of skin and observe for any adverse reactions such as redness, itching, or irritation. By approaching the use of castor oil with a cautious and informed mindset, you can safely enjoy its many benefits and incorporate it into a well-rounded approach to health and wellness. Remember, knowledge is key when harnessing the power of nature's remedies.